It has been a Herculean task for the Southeastern Railway at an estimated cost of over 300 crore rupees. The Eastern Ghats, with their sharp gradients and heavy rainfall, have not provided an easy construction site to tackle. But in this underdeveloped area, inhabited mostly by tribals, the construction work has already made a difference, giving employment to many people. The rail link, when completed, will open up new vistas of communication and development. Mr. Rajamani.
Koraput Rayagada New Line project is an engineering marvel in the history of the Indian Railways.